Hey guys, it's G. So today we're looking at impossible shapes. Now, if you haven't seen one of those before, they look like this. They are sort of impossible to actually physically create geometric shapes. And if you saw the painting that I had going around social media a little bit earlier, you may have asked me how to sketch this out yourself and try it in your own acrylic pours. So I'm going to show you a very simple method of how to figure it out on paper. And then we'll demonstrate this on acrylic pour. It'll be easier to see and understand on paper first. So without further ado, let's jump into that. So here's how to do this. It's very simple. We'll start with a simple square. Okay? You extend each of the lines outward. Okay, you've got like a windmill shape going on. At the end of each of those lines, you draw a line that extends past the previous one. Cool? From the new point, extend the line. The end point should be halfway between the last two end points, giving you 2 points that you can meet diagonally. Okay? So now we've done 3 lines. Diagonally, make these ends meet. Now for the shading. You start with, remember the first extensions to the square? You will shade a little here, 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 and then here. Then finally, the end points where we did a diagonal line, you will shade that, all 4 of those, and there you go, an impossible square. So as you can see, it's actually quite simple to sketch out the shape. So now we'll move on to a painting that I had done from before. I don't really love it too much, so I figured why not try this out on it. And that was it for my tutorial on impossible shapes. If you want to see more tutorials like this, make sure you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. If you're looking for a playlist that'll teach you everything you need to know about acrylic pouring, check that out here. It's only about 60 minutes long and you'll come out of it knowing everything you need to know about supplies, techniques, and how to pull off what you want to pull off. This was G, and I'll see you in the next video.